In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to empty the recycle bin here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. First things first, we need to bring up our recycle bin first here at our Windows 11 desktop. So how we can do so, please navigate to the search bar here and type for settings. Once you've typed it, navigate to the best match, click on Open to continue, or you can simply press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here at the settings, navigate to the left side of that. You can see there a list of the option. Please locate for the personalization, and under the personalization tab, proceed to the third of that where you can see the themes. Once you are here at the theme settings, you need to scroll down and locate for related settings, and there you can see the desktop icon settings and the contrast themes. And since we're dealing with the desktop icon, which is our recycle bin, then navigate here and click on this forward arrow. And here at under your desktop icons, please enable the recycle bin to show at the desktop. So click on apply and then OK. Once you have showed up the recycle bin here at the desktop, the next step that we need to do is we need to empty that, which is the goal or the target of this video. So how we can do so? By making a right click here, you would be able to see a list of options, and there you can see empty recycle bin. The moment you do it, you just have to click on yes if it will ask you to confirm your action, and that way you would be able to empty the recycle bin in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.